Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new vlog, and this is me practicing with my new camera. I've got a DJI Osmo 3 or Pocket Osmo 3 or something, and so this is the first vlog I'm using where I am practicing with it. Now, as you can see, as you may be able to tell, it's got some face tracking capabilities. It is a gimbal camera, which means it can follow me around, which is pretty cool. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to be filming my Saturday really. I don't know if it would be like Saturday or like the full weekend, but my plans are, yeah, I'm going to go downtown. I'm going to drop Claire off. Claire's getting her hair done, and I'm going to do some shopping vlogs. Actually, I'm going to go to B&M, Farm Foods, and Morrison's. Oh, I am nipping in Iceland Farm Foods, but I won't be like doing a vlog in there or anything. By the way, I've tried the latest Prime. It's very cool. Very nice. Probably the best flavour actually. So yeah, right. Yeah, we'll see how we get on. I know that I've enabled face tracking now, but don't actually know how I do that just by default. I think I just stumbled into it a minute ago. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm looking at the screen as well. Can you tell I'm looking at the screen and not the camera? Maybe I need to be looking at the camera more. Anyway, all of these things will hopefully be solved, and then we can use this camera for our future trips and stuff, of which I need to plan some this weekend actually, so let's go. I have made a fatal mistake here, guys. This is too much information. You don't want to hear this, but I'm saying it anyway. Alright, turn off if you're squeamish. I've come out. I've just said come weirdly as well. I've come out, I've exited the house. And to be honest, guys, sort of feel like I do need to defecate. So I'm in a tiny amount of discomfort. I'm just, there's nothing I can do. I'm not going to shit whilst I'm out, am I? That would be weird. So I'm just going to be a bit uncomfortable for the next probably hour and a half. Don't know how long I'll be out for actually. I'm planning to, like I said, I'm filming some shopping vlogs on Fruck. I don't know if I can actually show you anything else because face tracking's on. Yeah, I've just turned the camera around 100%, and yeah, it's just tracking my. It's good though. I mean, bloody hell, the fact that it's tracking my camera. Hang on, I can actually just turn the camera around. Let's flip the gimbal around. So this is where I am. I'm going to do a shopping vlog, definitely in B&M. I'm nipping into Food Warehouse. I'm not doing a shopping vlog. Do you know what? I mean, I could nip in Sports Direct and just like ask them if they got the shoes I wanted to try. And then I think I'm going to do a little vlog from, you can't even see it, but Farm Foods over there. So yeah, that's my plan. Is face tracking going to enable automatically? It does. That's actually good. Okay, so when it's on selfie mode, face track is automatic. That's good to know. So yeah, and then I might get a Subway. It's just over there, and then finally I'm going to nip over to, oh my god, then I'm going to Morrison's, and then I'm probably going to Sainsbury's as well. So yeah, busy. It's going to be I don't actually have the amount of space on my SD card to film me talking about the fact that I need a shit, so I'm just going to stop recording this. Of course, shopping vlogs went well, guys. I found some absolutely cracking products. I was looking for the Chubba Chubs popcorn, the new flavours in B&M Bargains. They didn't have them. Certainly didn't expect to see them in Farm Foods, but I did. They were literally in Farm Foods. So yeah, I think I am going to grab a Subway. I'm just going to get a cold one, like a non-toasted, because I am not going home for like an hour, so yeah. Saw a bit of footage of me there hanging up washing, doing a very good job to be honest. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty happy with that I've done that. Hello everyone, it's now the next day, it's Sunday. Didn't film anything after whatever I filmed obviously because this is the next clip that you're seeing, and I haven't filmed anything. That was a loud bleep. Beep. Bleep? Beep. Today is a bit of a holiday planning day. I need to plan some holiday things, probably book some accommodation. We're going to Europe, and we're also going to East England. Don't know, we haven't 100% decided where yet. Maybe like Whitstable sort of area. So I need to book some accommodation for them. What else? A few other little bits to do I need to do. So I'm doing lots of testing with this camera. One of the things that I wanted to test was how well my PC copes with... Yeah, one of the things that I wanted to see is how well the PC copes with editing, and it doesn't cope as well as I'd hope. Like, it's fine, but like when you're editing it and it's playing back the video, it's a bit juddery at the moment, and it does take a long time to edit the videos. I sort of knew that would probably be the case. So what I want to check next is if I drop the... So I'm currently filming on 4K 24 frames per second. I want to see what happens if I drop it to 2.7K to see what the performance of the computer is and if the video quality is still good. So I will film another vlog after this one. The next vlog will be the 2.7K test. If you can let me know what you think of the footage, that would be really good. So we got that, and then after that, hopefully I'll see how the computer copes with editing the 2.7K footage. Right, another thing I want to know is, can you tell that I'm looking at the screen? So can you tell that I'm looking below the camera? Or do I need to try and get in the habit of looking at the camera directly as I am now? Which one's better? Almost certainly me looking directly at the camera is going to be better. So we'll see about that. Look at this. This is me moving the camera. Yeah, so there's that, and the next thing I want to test after that is this camera's got a mode where it basically strips out lots of the colour, and then you do your own colour correcting when editing. I want to see how well I get on with that as well. Now, ideally we'll be using this camera in Florida, so I've got a lot to test before then, got plenty of time, so that's fine. Yes, and we'll see what happens. Also be interested to test the battery as well, because literally the battery just this second has like flashed up saying it's gone into red, so that's good to know. Might need to buy a battery pack, which is fine. What have I got on here at the moment, in fact? I don't know what the attachment... I've got this attachment on the bottom of it at the moment, which is just... I don't really know what it is. I don't know if it's like just an extension. I think it's an extension handle. And it's what you plug tripods into as well. So basically serving little purpose. I assume that the battery pack has the tripod stand in as well. But yeah, I think that might be the next step. And then finally, I then want to try some lenses, because you can stick lenses on this thing, like a wide angle lens, at the very least. So yeah, I'll try that as well. I've just realised that the entirety of that last clip was actually filmed in 2.7K, which is a bit of not a nightmare, but hopefully you can tell the difference. Yeah, and I've also just seen as well that the battery has dropped to 30% or 29%. So it flashes red when it's on 30%, which is still quite a lot of battery left, really. Like a third, obviously. So, yes, lots to consider. It is now that time. And, yeah, I am quite tired now, actually, because I've spent a lot of time planning our holidays and stuff. And that's basically now all done. So, yeah, feeling good, though. Still getting used to this camera. Still getting used. It honestly feels like when I do face tracking. Oh, that's zoomed in. When I do face tracking, I think. How do you feel? I think that it's showing too much over this side. Like, I feel like I'm not central enough. That's obviously moving it manually. I wonder if I can get some on-screen help. To be honest, there isn't that much else interesting that is actually going to happen in this video. So there is a Kit Kat donut. What I might do is literally just end this video here, and then I can get on with testing the next video, which will be 2.7K. And then after that, I think I'll do like a short 2.7K test. And then after that, I think I'll then do a probably 2.7K test with the colours taken out and then doing the colour grading after the video. I don't really know how people colour code, how people colour grade vlogs. I might need to watch some like tutorials on what's good colour grading for actual vlogs. Right, come on gimbal, keep up with me. There we go. Cool. We are getting there. I do like let me be clear, I do like this camera, but I think it's slightly finicky and I just want to get completely comfortable with using it. That is the thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's one little look in our cupboards. We've got a lot of junk food in here at the moment. So yeah, we were sent these yeah, good. That's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.